What's up, guys? We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back like we never left. We're back like we never left. We're about to react to Melle Mel from Grandmaster in the First Five.
I don't think so. Maybe. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Somewhere there, one of those older guys. No man, it's
yeah.
Sugar Hill Records.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's from a group. I know he's from, but yeah, it's the guy who said that Eminem
It's whack and all that.
Yeah.
Apparently he says everyone is whack, so I wanna see.
I hope he at least did some. Yeah, we're gonna see.
It's the one. No apologies, this ain't a disclaimer. I'm the king of legend, the first Hall of Famer. Making diss tracks, I know you with that. Now everybody get ready for the kickback. Why you hurt, why you mad, now you look bad. Like a roach just crawled out of your book bag. Get a
That was a lot of noise.
There was so much noise.
That's a lot of noise.
Why you mad?
like that. Now everybody get ready for the kickback. Why you hurt, why you mad, now you look bad. Like a roach just crawled out of your book bag. In a pack class, you lack class. Go to bed with no supper, cause you gotta suffer the backlash. The top five is cap, you the piss that's on the floor. In the elevator of rap. Why you ducking on the game when you shit on my name? Why they put Pee Wee Herman in the Hall of Fame?
That was such a long video. It's 30 seconds in. Jesus Christ. Wait, is this an Eminem?
On the floor, in the elevator of rap. Why you ducking on the game when you shit on my name? Why they put Pee Wee Herman in the Hall of Fame? I would give you a pound, but I break your hand. I got a lawyer so white, he will take your land. Yo, check your man, come and look.
That's funny.
So what you'll take your life?
That is hilarious. That is hilarious.
Juvenile, but
Yeah,
hilarious.
Thing is, the way that subject matter is the way that subject matter is so strong, it will never be too weak.
I think it applies more to South African culture than American culture.
It applies globally. Why people did that globally?
I'll take your life.
When you shit on my name, why they put Pee Wee Herman in the Hall of Fame? I would give you a pound, but I break your hand. I got a lawyer so white, he will take your land. Yo, check your man, come and look at your friend, cause I think that Eminem is popping pills again. We call him Bill Clinton or either Bill Gates, but Bill.
Popping pills again. Bill Clinton, Bill Gates. Okay.
I got a lawyer so white, he will take your land. Yo, check your man, come and look at your friend, cause I think that Eminem is popping pills again. We call him Bill Clinton or either Bill Gates, but Bill did homie take to make him hate the great. Think you are, but you ain't, still you made a mistake. Hit a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'ma give your fans one more chance to go online and re-energize that bromance. After that, say your last goodbye. Cause before I put Matthew's lights out, I'm turning off the fucking Wi-Fi. Another little kid, don't hate the great. More white chalk, more yellow tape. Who that, who that? Melle Mel.
These were dead bars. Look, horrible generally, but with his age into consideration and the era that he comes from, I get it.
I don't.
I didn't expect
I
him to
don't.
rap like he's flipping Kendrick or something. Like, obviously that was not gonna come.
Nah, okay, here's the thing. I'm sorry, I have to say this. All of you guys, like I remember, everyone who fixed their lips to criticize MGK's rap years ago when he went at Eminem, I get it, he lost that battle. But come on, you can't tell me that MGK's diss compared to all the other Eminem disses that have came after, that diss was bad. Who else? Nick Cannon made a diss.
Oh, Nick Cannon is the worst.
Track.
And the fact that he got other guys to jump on the song, like,
Yes, those.
it had nothing to do with me. I would have told him, fuck you, you can keep your change.
His ilk, yeah. Those guys, Eminem made a diss. Okay. Those guys dissed him. Who else? The Game made a
Game.
diss into. Funny enough,
I
this
didn't
guy.
even listen to a game diss.
This guy. It was.
I
It
heard
was
it.
okay.
I heard it that one
It
time
was
we
okay.
played it.
I
but
really wish it wasn't
thing is,
long.
it was a diss, but even the energy was off. It sounded like a song, and the beat was timid.
I think he had some funny lines there, like
Yes.
what was that line? Do rap for 10 years, but you never
You
had
can
one
wave,
wave.
yeah.
That was funny. And then it just went on and on and on and on. It's like, yeah, I get it, he's white. Jesus Christ, I get it. But yeah, this guy listened to this song and he was like, I can do that shit in a tenth of the time it took you to release that disc. But no, guys, I'm sorry. You guys you owe MGK an apology. I'm sorry. You all owe MGK an apology. Who else does Eminem since then? Like, bro.
It was MGK. It was another person.
Dog, someone else does Eminem. I remember, like, this records about Eminem have been coming out. Like, since then, someone else has. And I'm sorry, you guys need to give MGK the credit that is due. He lost that battle. He got his ass handed to him. But come on, give him some credit. Give him some credit. I'm sorry. This was bad for me. This was bad for me. This was bad for someone who's dissing Eminem.
I hope Eminem responds.
No, I hope he doesn't. This time I actually hope he doesn't. I wished he did with the game because it would have been fun. It would have been a fun back and forth.
I think the problem with the game diss and stuff is because they're from the same labels and stuff like that. So I think there's underlying reasons and all that stuff.
With me, dude, I really like every time I hear that the new Eminem diss is out, I just go back to Rap Devil, and every time I listen to that song, it's like that song was not bad. That song was not bad compared to all the shit that we've heard.
Other ones now.
So yeah, everyone who like, I'm an Eminem fan too, but I never said that MGK's song was bad. I actually liked it. But yeah, you guys need to give MGK the credit that is due for what he did in 2018, in 2019 or whatever it was. But yeah.
They came through. But yeah, you were right. He's part of the Grandmaster Fast and Furious 5, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, dog, nah. Thing is, I don't understand why you as an old man when you wanna rap. Like, where's your wife? Where's your kids?
I don't understand
Like,
why.
Someone should have stole the XLR cable.
Why did he go? Okay, I get it. I get writing it, but to go to the studio and record it and mix. Okay, it wasn't mixed. That shit was not mixed.
Lock the booth.
Bruh, he told his kids, "Don't get in. I'm working." He told his he gave them that Eminem "When I'm Gone" line. Daddy's busy, get away. I'm like, Jesus Christ, this guy.
No, this is weak. This is probably the worst diss track I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah, I think y'all need to also apologize to Nick Cannon. I've decided. Okay, wait, not Nick Cannon, not Nick Cannon.
Nick Cannon is weak.
Yeah, he is weak, but relatively. This he made this guy makes Nick Cannon sound like Pac. if Nick Cannon dies today, Nick Cannon is Pac tomorrow. I promise you. If someone shoots at him and he survives, he's 50 Cent.
One up. He has a one up.
Like he has a one up. If something happens to Nick Cannon in the next 24 hours, I'm telling you. But yeah, that was Melle Mel's response to
Eminem's diss.
fuck.
Anyway, please like and subscribe for more stuff. Check out all the other videos that we have.
But why?
And see you again.
Why?
See you again. Shut up.